You could waste time endlessly scrolling through spreadsheets or import it into SentVi. SentVi is a powerful data analysis and visualization tool. To warm us up, I like to start with a simple example. What you're seeing now is a group of Venmo accounts and the money that has transferred between them. We can expand out 1 degree and ask the database, what else do we know about these Venmo accounts? SentVi now pulled in the people we know are connected to certain accounts. I'm going to zoom in now. This is great, but we can make it easier to read. Let's say we want to hide the accounts and see only the people and their connections. We select Entities, then Replace. You'll see here that we're hiding the Venmo accounts and keeping the people who own them. You'll notice that we have many layouts to view the information differently or more clearly. The main point for now is that you're seeing visually how the money is flowing between these account owners without the distraction of account numbers or usernames. In this case, we can see Gideon sent over $55K to Lila, and we can track how the money flowed from there. We support adding information to entities. Just double-click into any entity on the chart, and you are able to save important dates, birthdays, location coordinates, which we can map later if needed, unique identifiers, and summaries about an entity. You can even add documents. Here we have a sketch from a prior interview. We stored a list of social media accounts inside this entity as well. SentVi also holds metadata. Here it's address information, but it could easily be height, age, hair, or eye color. We also support user notes with an audit trail. An investigator can add notes as they discover more information in a case. By selecting relationships, we can view relationships Gideon has in our data. You'll notice we've only looked at Venmo accounts up to this point, but this database includes much more. Let's pivot back to our chart. I'm going to undo the current filter, which means we're removing the entity replace filter we'd previously applied. Assume that we want to see every connection Gideon has in our data across the entire network. We first select our entity and then get links entire network. Now we can see everything, the people, the accounts, and how transactions occurred across Venmo, Cash App, and bank accounts. If we want to, we can redo our entity replace and hide the Venmo accounts again, or combine replacements, streamlining our view across the entire network, showing who paid whom. Finally, if we just want to see only Gideon's connections, maybe we're zeroing in on him as a primary suspect, we can use selected and connected to clean up our view entirely. This demonstration was a simplified example of a financial transaction investigation, but you can utilize SentVi and apply this process to any type of structured data. Please remember that my only other path to finding this information would have required handling multiple spreadsheets. It's a much more manual and difficult process, one that often results in missed connections or individuals found, while the larger network goes unseen. SentVi makes it easy to see exactly what you need when you need to see it.